All right, so what does it say here? It says now switch 4, the higher port number, let's say it that way, has a value of 64, which is lower than the one on port 5 of 128. So now 16, it's considered the preferred and will impact the root port on switch 5. And then if you go down, it says here, this is switch 4, as you can see right here, with the lower, I should say. And then G11, which is beneath it, was blocking. Let's take a look. Now G11 is the root port and G12 is the blocking port. So they swapped. Why did they swap? Because we changed the priority number on this switch and it will affect the downstream switch. It will affect the switch that is connected to, not itself, but it was connected to. So now this port becomes the root port. So again, we take this in segments, okay? Again, let me put my face back in here. We're gonna take this in segments. Now what we did on switch 4, we took the lower port G13, and we took it from a 128 point, whatever it was, 0.13 or whatever it is, 128 dot whatever for the interface, or 128, default is 128, that's a priority number. We lowered it to 64. It didn't affect the switch 4 itself, but it affected switch 5, the link that is connected to. Okay, so what's going to happen now? Did it change anything else besides just that? Now remember, this is still shut down. I mean, you can't see it. Let me get back in there. Okay, this is still shut down here. I have not turned this back on. So just by lowering the priority number here, it turned this into a root port. Okay, so I still can't go up this way. Now here again, SpanTree is not going to let you have on switch 4. SpanTree is not going to let you have switching loops. So we do have a root port going up. Nothing is blocked here. Okay, so we can go up. Something's blocked this way. This one's shut down. You can't get that way. So what does switch 2 have to say? So now G13 is blocked. Did it change anything else? And the root port should be G01. That's not going to create a loop right here. It's not going to go back around. That's a good thing. And then what happened in this switch 4? And let's bring it up. We'll bring this lower, bring this up right here. So let's take a look at show SpanTree. So what do we have? We have G00, which is the end device. G01 is not part of it. So G02 is still a root port, but G11 is a blocking port.